Okay, this is the Tough Built Drill Holster Specialist. So, their claim to fame here is this little plastic gizmo. It works okay. It's kind of hard to undo, but if you put this on your belt and close it, again, it works alright, but honestly I think it's a little narrow because when you put weight on it, it tends to really rock. But so here's the pouch, and you can see, yeah, there's bit holders, but they're too deep for you know, hex, Torx bits, screw bits, things like that. They get lost, so I end up putting those in this little tiny outer pocket. The bigger pockets, you just like in here, you just lose it and you can't get it back out once it goes down inside. This is a little bit, especially like this big pocket here. So yeah, it's down there. Good luck getting that out. So, but the taller ones are fine for drill bits. Obviously you got to put them in point down, because what I found, when you reach your hand in, you scratch your wrist on them. So I don't know. I mean, I really like pockets for. I'm always switching between different size, you know, 15 and 20 Torx, and even square bit and Phillips bit. So I really would love to have a bunch of really easy to get to bit sections, and there's really only one here that holds 2 bits. Then you can put screwdrivers in. You can only put 2, which is pretty good, I guess. I forget what they claim these little loops are for, to hang carabiners off them. I don't even know. I wouldn't use that. Probably my biggest irritation with this is this strap. I just honestly don't get it. It's supposed to be to hold your, obviously to hold your screw gun in there, but you know, when I'm up on a ladder, last thing I want is to be getting my fingers down in between these things, in between bits, and trying to get that clip out. And then there's some weird Velcro thing here that just, it's in the way, so I'm really not sure what that is. I tried figuring out if I could double back and hold it out of the way, but that doesn't really work. So, alright, so it does clip on and off very easily, which is great. You know, so in between sessions. That's cool. And so, although another interesting side effect of, they want this to be lefty and righty, which obviously means that it's not sloped to hold the gun, so the gun kind of just falls down inside that thing and kind of gets lost a little bit, you know. So that's one. Going up a size for a drill, that's okay, that's reasonably balanced. And I think this one I was hanging out a lot. Yeah, so the bigger drill, I don't know, if you could see, it's just kind of a lot of weight on a little point, and it's just pulling my belt out and down, but it does work. So, and the pouch is okay. It's a little small to get my hand in, and stiff. You can see it's very stiff. So I did find myself having a little bit of a hard time getting screws out of it. So, yeah, I mean, do I recommend it? It's fine. I mean, especially for it's not a lot of money. I think it's like 22 bucks. It's pretty cheap. So if you are going up and down on a ladder, need to organize it all, 22 bucks, it probably can't go wrong. But alright, that's it. I figured the video would be a lot easier to show than to talk about all those, just so you can see it for yourself. Alright, that's it.